Hi, my name is Jason from Fix My Books, and again, we're talking today about Canadian exit taxes. So, how do I officially declare my departure for tax purposes to the CRA? So, this can be a long list or it can be a short list. It really depends on your situation. So, the first thing you should really do, even though it's optional, is complete a form called an NR73 to determine your residency status before leaving Canada. So this can help the CRA determine your residency status based on the information you provide within this form. And then you send it off to the CRA to have it assessed. You file your Canadian tax return as normal, but there are certain things that you'll need to put on the Canadian tax return to deem it a sort of final tax return for your residency in Canada. You report any deemed dispositions that you have, so when you cease to be a resident of Canada, you are deemed to have disposed of most of the property at fair market value immediately before leaving Canada. So this is the deemed disposition everyone talks about, and it can result in capital gains or losses depending on what it is that you've got to sell. And not all property is treated the same. So this is something that you're going to have someone look at for you to make sure that you're paying the right amount, or you don't have to pay tax on certain items. You have to have certain items sold in a deemed disposition. Then you pay the outstanding taxes. You may even need to provide the CRA security, depending on how much it is that you owe. And then you notify any Canadian payers, so your banks, pension funds, RSP providers, that sort of thing, that you're now a non-resident, so they can apply the correct withholding tax. Now, this is quite an important one that a lot of people forget to do, but it is something that you should do, even though it's the last thing on your mind when you're leaving a country. And always keep your records. This is something that I can't stress enough. Keep your records, because when you don't have them, you're the one that's making the claim. You need to be able to verify your claim. So if this is kind of over your head, a little bit confusing, we do understand. We've dealt with it before. You feel free to reach out to us. My name is Jason at Fix My Books, and if you know anyone that needs help with this, feel free to share this video, like, subscribe, and have a good day.